It's Katie with WTI, and as a video creator, I always struggle with filming outside. Noise quality is so hard to get just right, unless you have one of these awesome lav mics by MAONO. Oh my goodness, these were a total game changer, but I'm not just gonna talk about it sitting here. I'm gonna demonstrate for you. Okay, so right now I have the microphone on, but the noise cancellation is not on. Okay, so now I've got the windscreen on, and I'm gonna even back away and we can see if there is any difference in sound. I'm really far from the camera. Now here's the mic with the windscreen on. It is windy out. Okay, so now you still should be able to hear me. You can see how far I am, lots of space between, but I still sound nice and clear like I'm right next to my phone. So this set comes with 2 mics and a carrying case. You can wear the mics on a necklace as I'm doing now, or on a clip. I also like that the receivers are set for both C-type and lightning type. It also has a receiver that works with your digital camera, so if you've got one of those, and the battery life is top-notch. I've never had to charge these. This is definitely an investment that you're going to want to make, and that's my point of view.